Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are good. So welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will see the development of nervous system. So the development of nervous system begins at the third week of embryonic development. Embryonic development begins from the external embryonic layer, that is ectoderm. So in the dorsal sac of germ trunk, the ectodermal cells gives rise to medullary plate. Medullary plate. So in this diagram you can see the medullary plate. This is the medullary plate formed from ectoderm. So after formation of medullary plate, it gradually transforms into a groove, that is a neural groove. In this figure you can see this neural groove is formed. So then the edges of neural groove comes together and it forms the neural tube. You can see here the enclosed structure called neural tube. Neural tube on further development gives rise to brain and spinal cord at the end of 4th week of development. So till the end of 4th week of development, brain and spinal cord are formed. Then, as the neural tube closes, bulges and bends begins to appear. During the 4th week, the 3 of these bulges are present. These bulges are called primary vesicles. Primary vesicles. So, there are 3 primary vesicles. Those are prosencephalon, mesencephalon, and rhombencephalon, and the end part gives rise to spinal cord. So in this diagram you can see the 4 stages that is involved in the development of nervous system. As I mentioned earlier, the development of nervous system begins at the 3rd stage of embryonic development from the external embryonic layer, that is ectoderm. In this diagram, in the first diagram, you can see the medullary plate is formed. This medullary plate further gives rise to a groove called medullary groove. This is the medullary groove. This is the notochord. Then in the diagram, you can see the neural tube, a fully formed neural tube, which further gives rise to brain and spinal cord. Diagram, you can see the epidermis, which is the external layer, a neural tube, spinal ganglions are formed, and the notochord.